Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurelia. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is all about new classics that you can incorporate into your wardrobe that will completely transform it. These are items that are not your traditional classics, but can be or should be, and I'm considering them now as classic items that you can put into your wardrobe. If you are new here, the content that I post on my channel is focused around fashion and style for the woman over the age of 50. I am a firm believer that life is way too short to live without style. I post 1 to 2 times a week. If you enjoy my content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. All right, let's dive into today's video. New classics, things that you can incorporate into your wardrobe that will help to refresh it, bring it up to date, add some fun and some zest to your wardrobe. I think that these are all things that are definitely workable in a classic wardrobe, that are newer items, maybe not what you traditionally think of when you think of classic, basic wardrobe. The first item that I'm going to talk about is the Moto jacket. And if you have been watching my channel for the last 6 months or so, you know that I have got an infatuation with Moto jackets. I love Moto jackets. Moto jackets make me feel like a badass. You know what I mean? They really appeal to my rocker chic aesthetic, but they are absolutely appropriate for wearing to the office or a night out or anything like that. I think that Moto jackets are some of the most versatile pieces that are out there, and definitely a great substitute for the traditional blazer. It will give your outfit a little bit of edge. It'll give it a little bit of just something, you know, something special. I've got several in my wardrobe. They are stunning, especially tweed. You know, when you juxtapose the tweed with the edginess of a Moto jacket, it's just a really, really great combination, and they just look really good side by side. It's just such a nice, refreshing way to wear a Moto jacket. So yeah, absolutely love my Moto jackets. I am such a fan. The next new classic that I want to talk about is one that I have just recently added to my wardrobe, and that is the jumpsuit. The jumpsuit is blown my mind. I don't know why I have waited so long to get one. I can see that the jumpsuit that I recently purchased from Cabby, I showed it in my spring wardrobe haul. It's made of knit, it's black, it's so versatile. I can already tell you that it is just a piece that I am going to be wearing all summer long and probably into the fall. The jumpsuit is the new dress. You know, it is a one and done piece that you can dress up, dress down. You know, a jumpsuit is super comfortable to wear. You can do all kinds of things with them, and they are still going strong on the fashion scene. Definitely something that I consider a classic item that you can keep in your wardrobe, because it will always look good. You'll always look pulled together, and you'll always be able to transform it and make it into whatever you need it to be. I'm blown away by how much I really love them, and I need to go out and get myself a couple more. Hoop earrings have been around for a long time. They are definitely a classic piece, but in recent years, in the last couple of years, you've seen slowly but surely different chunky styled hoop earrings emerging. And I love that, because while I love a really beautiful hoop, I really like the chunky hoop because it's more of a statement piece. And I really enjoy wearing chunky hoops with a dark color especially. And as you can see, I'm wearing my gold chunky hoops right now. They are just such a really great, simple, classic, modern piece that you can add to your accessories that will amp up any wardrobe. They're gonna go with everything. I think that the chunky hoop is here to stay. The trendier side of the chunky hoop are like the lucite plastic or acrylic chunky hoops that come in different colors and finishes. Madewell and J. Crew are really banking on this right now. I love my chunky hoops. I wear them all the time. I went out and got a pair of silver that are very similar to these. I've got a small pair. I've got them everywhere in my jewelry box right now because they are just in constant rotation in my wardrobe. I love the statement that they make. I think mules are some of the best shoes around. I grew up in a warm climate and used to wear mules year round. Now that I'm in a colder climate, I can't quite do that because my feet will get wet. But especially now that we're hitting spring and summer, mules are really, really versatile. If you live in a warm climate, wear them year round. I definitely would and have. Mules are so comfortable and they're so easy, and there's so many different styles available. Mules with chunky heels, or a pair of beautiful pointy-toed kitten heel mules, my loafer mules from Banana Republic that I absolutely love, and then of course my newly purchased Valentino Rockstud mules. I am such a fan of the mule because it is incredibly versatile, so easy to wear, really a good alternative to a sandal. I think can look really, really chic and pull together in a snap. So I love, love, love my mules. I think mules are amazing, and I am so excited that it's warmer now so that I can start wearing them. Those are my 5 new classics that you can introduce to your wardrobe. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these is your favorite new classic that you think that you might want to incorporate, or if there are any other new classics out there that I might have missed. Let me know in the comments down below. I love talking fashion with you in the comments. It just makes me so happy, and it is so fun to talk about, you know, clothes and shopping and things like that, and how to style what you have. So yes, let me know in the comments down below. I love, love, love talking with you. All right, that is all that I have for you today. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. Please remember to live a life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will talk with you in my next video. Bye.